Well, we are here at drupa 2016 and I'm the stand of Durst. And I'm meeting Mr Helmuth Munter, who is the segment manager for label and packaging, is that right? Yes, right. Yes. And you present a new machine here at this year's drupa. It's the latest version of Tau 330. Just to start with, is every machine called Tau 330?
Yes, that's actually correct. The entire product range that we show and that we offer, which goes beyond the model that we show here. Here we do show, as you rightly say, the flagship, the big machine. But yes, all machines of this product group are called Tau, but then with different endings at the end, which have different meanings. But let me just give you a brief overview on the machine itself. The Tau 330, as we see it here, is basically we call it labels and package printing, specialty package printing press, because it does a lot more than just simply printing labels. It goes far beyond that because of its flexibility in substrates, because of its durable inks, and because of its speed also, and the possibility to really configure the machine according to what the clients require. That's even why we have the slogan that we already started to have with Label Expo last year, configure your digital future today. And we continue doing this here and even throughout the year 2016, and try to offer a versatile piece of equipment to our clients in order to make them, or in order to actually allow our customers, our today's and future customers, to have the right solution for their specific needs. Right. Just a couple of primary specifications of the machine itself. The press has a print width up to 330 millimeter, and it runs at a speed of up to 48 linear meters per minute. We do have 7 color capability, meaning yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. But of course, for people that have the need to increase the color gamut, we offer 2 additional process colors, so orange and violet, and of course, the very important high opacity white.
The white is always a tricky question when it comes to digital printing, I understand.
This is absolutely right, especially when it comes to specialty substrates like metallics, or of course also transparent materials where you really have to have a good opacity white. And we can do that. We can do that really in a single pass at the highest possible speed. And that's really a plus for the machine.
So how about the inks?
Well, we do have a number of inks available for this press depending on the client's application. First, to start with, we do have the standard UV inks, which are very durable, offer very high light fastness and scratch resistance, of course, so the perfect performance for industrial label applications. We do have also what we call low migration ink, which is really suitable and goes in line with the European food and pharmaceutical applications, especially for these market segments. And we meet specifically OIPIA guidelines, Swiss Ordinance guidelines, and National List guidelines. The third ink we do have is very new and actually goes along with one of the products that we have of this product line, the Tau 330E. And with this product, we offer a new higher pigmented ink set, CMYK plus white again, and this higher pigmented ink basically reduces the amount of ink laid down significantly, up to 25 to 30%, which beside the lower ink lay down, which gives more a flexo look-like, also has a significant cost advantage.
So this machine also have an inline finishing equipment with laser. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Of course. As you can see, we offer this machine, the Tau 330, also with an inline laser finishing system. The system is actually being built together in cooperation with a company, with a US company called Spartanix. So the heart of the system, the laser, comes from this company. The laser system really offers you an end-to-end digital workflow, from file preparation, so pre-press, overprinting, eventually varnishing, lamination, and then die cutting, as we just see now live here. It will be a end-to-end workflow without operator intervention. So this is ideal for short-run production. When the client has the need to do multiple jobs, he can really queue them up, put them together in one print queue, and then run the entire jobs without basically any interruption and any manual operator intervention.
So this is a setup for the show here, but can you also provide potential buyers with the different setups?
Definitely, we do, and we have done already. Digital laser finishing is only one of the possible options. We do also offer the possibility to actually put in line a conventional finishing system, and that can come from the preferred partner of our customer. And we will then work with them together to integrate the two systems and to make them work slick together. Additionally to this, third-party finishing devices, we can also provide jumbo roll system in order to allow the client to even do not only short-run production but even medium-run production, because it will be jumbo rolls which will handle up to 4,000 linear meters. This provides them a continuous printing of more than 2 hours.
It's a tough race on the market for digital printing machines, of course. Do you have any? How many machines do you have out on the market?
Mm-hmm. Well, on a global perspective, it's reaching close to 100 installations. Meanwhile, by the end of 2016, it will probably be beyond that. Currently, or say, let's put it this way: by end of 2015, that's a firm figure. We had close to 90 machines out in the market. The majority in Europe. So that's definitely our home territory, and therefore we focus very much on this. But we do expand now also towards Northern America, Latin America, South America, as well as some Asian regions.
Is it obvious for the customers that Durst also produces this type of machines, because you're from the beginning connected with other types of equipment, aren't you?
That's correct, and we are actually, I would still consider us pretty young in the label area. Actually, we started in 2009 with a smaller press, and it was basically a learning curve for us. These first steps into the label market, and we were really trying to catch up with the market, with the needs of this market. And then really our first significant step was in 2012, so actually 4 years ago, where we introduced the first version of the Tau 330 as a prototype. From then on, we were a serious player also in this market. Before, it was more just a try phase and a learning curve for us.
And the future looks bright?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
The future looks bright?
The future looks excellent so far. We really can say that we have a lot of happy customers. Customers confirm that we are on the right track. Customers do appreciate the high reliability of the system. It is a non-contact printing technology which offers a lot of options in terms of material flexibility, from 20 microns to 500 microns, and as we also show here at drupa, the vast range of application possibilities that are doable with this type of technology. This is really what the market appreciates, because in digital it's not only all about short runs and label printing, which is a very competitive, price-sensitive competitive market, and therefore people are always looking for additional expansions of their business, additional value-added applications with which they can grow their business.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Munter. Now you only have 9 days left on the show.
That's absolutely right. We are really still at the early time during drupa, and we will see how it goes. The first day was fine, was really good, and we look forward to 9 more days. Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Thank you.